Alright, what I'm going to do now is remove the graphics card. So, notice, putting on the wrist strap. The graphics card, there's two screws. They're thumb screws, but it's kind of easier to do with a screwdriver. Be careful not to drop those down inside your chassis. You don't want to lose them in there. Now to get a graphics card out, it's in a slot, but the slot has a connector. I'm going to get down close and show you that. So down under here, there's a connector, and it's got a latch, and it's a black latch. You want to be very careful to never touch the motherboard because you can scrape it and hurt it. But there's a black latch right there that if I ever so gently push on, see how it moved and the card came up a little bit? Now it's unlatched, and now I can just gently pull up on this, and that card came out. So remember, when you're gripping the card, hold on to this point right here. Don't put your thumb on the fans, because if you press or break the fans, that's bad. So that's the graphics card. Now, because I said, always I've got the wrist strap on, I'm grounded. I don't want to just put this down on the desk, because the desk is not grounded, and the plastic desk could cause a spark to damage this card. So the card is supposed to go into an anti-static bag, which is out of reach right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm ever so carefully going to place this right back there. Gently, it's not pressing on anything, and I'm going to get a bag and I'll show you.